So, what do you do when you have some stinking thinking going on and all those negative thoughts are coming in your head? It seems like nothing's going right, and you feel frustrated and grumpy, and you can't find anything to eat for breakfast, and all your brothers and sisters are being mean, and even your mommy doesn't love you, and all this yucky, yucky, yucky thoughts. So that's negative. We're calling it stinking thinking, right? And this little nugget had some problem with that this morning. And so I did a really quick, just a one oil helper that was able to switch him out of it in about 5 minutes or so, maybe more like 2 or 3 minutes. And so we thought we'd share that today. It seems like a lot of people need it today. We had a grumpy daddy, and I even had a friend of mine call saying that she was having some negative thoughts and she needed some help as well. So grown-ups can use this just like kiddos can. But here's what we're doing. We're going to use, do you remember what this one's called?
I don't know what it's called.
I don't know what it's called. It's tea tree.
Tea
Yeah, tea tree, yeah. So we sometimes call it Melaluca. At least doTERRA is kind of switching over. It's easier to say, and we can have the same as Melaluca, yeah. We have a couple different countries that they source it to, so tea tree is easier. And
Store tea.
Tea tree.
Yeah.
Tea tree. So we like to put, so as a grown-up, I typically will put a little bit on my finger, and if I realize that I'm just in this terrible mood and have very negative thoughts, I'll put some over my heart. I'll rub some right over my heart like that, and I'll also I'll put a little bit on the very top of my head. So put a little loop right there. And for kiddos like this, one drop is more than what they need to be able to get a really good dose of Stinkin Thinkin Be Gone. So I just use my roller bottle that has this 10 ml has about 40 drops of Melaluca. And the head, that's right. We're going to put some on your head too. Yep. So we have some fractionated coconut oil in here. If you're making a 5 ml, you just do 20 drops of the Melaluca or tea tree. Same thing, just different words. Or if you have a 10 ml bottle, then you'll make it to be 40 drops for the full 10 ml. So that's going to be a really good dose for this size and up, roughly 5-ish or 6-ish. So how old are you?
4.
You're 4. What happens tomorrow?
5.
Yeah, tomorrow is this little nugget's birthday. We gotta make sure that we won't have any stinking thinking on a birthday. Okay, so this is a really easy DIY kind of thing for you, and you can just label it Stinkin Thinkin Be Gone, or you can just call it Melaluca or tea tree. And the reason we do this is we have a lot of good uses for this tea tree. We can use it for other skin problems. It's great for cleaning things, but we like to use it for skin problems a lot, and we also thank you, Sylvie. Yes, Sylvie says happy birthday to you, and Ron says he loves all the products, and Allison's giving us hearts. You see over here, they're saying hi to us. Isn't that great? All right, thank you guys. So sweet for jumping in to encourage us. We are doing this now. We're calling it Make It Monday instead of what we had been doing, which was Family Friday at 4. Our Fridays just get so busy and full of fun, so we're switching to Make It Mondays. So you guys can expect to find us here. All right, have a good week. We'll see you next Monday.